Hey guys, today we're back here with another episode of Leslie's Cooking Show. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own campfire at home. First things first, you'll be needing some wood from outside. Second, you'll be needing some foil. Third, your salami sausages, of course. And fourth, well, now that we're set up, we're gonna get started. First, you're gonna wanna slice your wood. With a knife, of course. Yeah. Alright, now that it's all cut up, you want to put it inside the bowl and let it on fire. What the? Alright guys, I'm gonna show you. What the? Back! More wood! Maybe I need a piece of paper. Thank God I got my toilet paper, I won't handle it. Back. Come on, start a fire already. Alright, let's try the napkins since they're bigger. Is that bad? Oh, I'm gonna have to do it again. You know why I closed the door, right? I'm making a video.
¿Cómo que fachada? ¿Fachada? ¿Qué dijiste? Ah, fachada, no lo creo. Ay, Kiki, por favor. ¿Tú crees que pasé mi vida entera dentro de una fundación fachada para estar... para...
Taste test.
No voy a mentirte, Kiki, no puedo. Mira. Mira, fachada. Sí, siempre fue fachada. Usé la fundación para ayudar a la fundación varias veces. Yo...
Alright guys, so if you liked my video, like and subscribe for more. Yeah, see you later.